So, you did wake up, huh? Guess you really are the same as me. I'll kill you! I'll fucking kill you! Big talk coming from a loser bitch. I've gotta wait here until the police come get you. But there's a few things I can't really accept. You killed Jimeno, asshole. Because of you, the world lost a good-looking woman. And yet, you're going to live out your life in jail like a bitch without even repenting for it. I'm not okay with it ending like that. Not like you can do anything about it, since you're just another of public safety's bitches. I'm gonna start a tournament now. Huh? A tournament? Oh, perfect timing. This is Hayakawa from the 4th. I've found the target in front of the clock tower on the tracks. He's been restrained already, requesting backup. You want to join too, Hayakawa? A tournament of the strongest? What are you talking about? He's the one who shot Jimeno. So, we should make sure he's never able to shoot off anything but blanks ever again. That's why I'm gonna start a tournament. We take turns kicking him in the balls, and the one who gets the loudest scream before the police gets here wins. Are you crazy? What? You're not gonna join? Our job is to capture him, not to torture him to make ourselves feel better. Jimeno wouldn't be happy about us doing something like that. That's so. Hey. If I win, what do I get? Obviously, you get to keep what's left of his balls.